Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, 12:30 Ghana time, we have medium impact news, which is durable goods order, and we are expecting negative news. At 2 p.m. too, we have consumer confidence. That is a medium impact. And that one, we're expecting positive news. These are the fundamentals we have today. So let's go back to the chart. Yesterday was USA and UK bank holidays. And as you can see what the market did, I told you guys that I'm expecting the market to tap into this zone for it to push, and I'm expecting it to go all the way to the up there, right? And you see what it did. It didn't really move much because there was no volume in the market yesterday. It only moved 249, almost 250 pips. Yeah, that was 250 pips. That wasn't bad though. But yes, we didn't take any trade. Right. So what's going on today? Daily time frame. Now, if you look at daily time frame, yesterday I made you understood that once we have a breakout here, I'm expecting the market to tap into the breakout for it to continue on flying. And we have immediate resistance there. Let me delete this one and use this instead. Yeah. So these are the levels we have according to daily. And we have this one. But this one, the market might not come back here. 3288, I'm not sure. So H4. Now, if you look at H4, I already spoke about this. Oh, a breakout. So according to H4, the trend line has been broken. The market has tested. Wow. Are we going to continue on dropping? So since that trend line has been broken and has been tested, if we get a strong bearish H4 candle closing below 33.23, then you can take a sell back to 32.88. This is based on what is happening right now. All right. Also, if that doesn't happen, now what I will wait to see is a breakout at 33.62. Okay. A breakout at 33.62 so that we can ride it all the way to the 34.28. Okay. So I expect that there will be a breakout here. Then we ride it all the way to this level right there. All right. So those are the two scenarios I will observe today. Okay. I will observe those two scenarios today. And if you can see, we have another level in between this and that, which is exactly at 33.40. Recently, the market is there. So let's check H1, what is happening in H1. Now, if you check the H1, can we adjust this trend line? Yeah, so if you look at H1, this is the trend line. And you see it fits perfectly well. Now, all right, so guys, what are we going to do? what we can actually do is, according to H1, if I get a candle closing above here, okay, if I get a candle closing above here, we can take a buy from 50 to 62. That's 120 pips. It's too small. So in this scenario, we will have to wait. All right. Yes, we will have to wait. If we don't trade today, that is fine. All right. If we don't trade today, that's okay. So we wait for a candle to close below here. Then we ride it all the way to this area. Okay. Also, we wait a breakout up here. Then, yeah, then we buy all the way to this area right there. Okay. So in between here and there, we will just have to wait and watch. Okay. Yeah, even though it is very long, it's good pips from here to there. We are talking about 390 pips, almost 400 pips. All right. But based on the market touching here yesterday, went up, and look at the bearish engulfing candle it gave. We cannot take a risk buy. So we'll have to wait for the area here to be broken. Okay. So once we broke above here and retest, then we long all the way to the upside. Or we will wait for here to break and retest, and we sell all the way to the downside like this. All right. And this is going to give us 1:6 RR. Okay. 1:6 RR. This one will give 1:12 RR. So guys, all we need is patience. Patience, patience, patience. And when the market presents any of these opportunities, we can ride the markets and enjoy some sweet money right there. All right. This is Pip Hunter here. So my advice for you is to exercise patience and wait. As long as it takes, we are going to wait until we get this thing and we will trade. All right. If you look at 30 minutes too, you can see that 30 minutes, the market has closed above the trend line with a strong bullish engulfing pattern. So we are still going to wait. Since we don't even trade this session, we are going to wait and see what is going to happen. All right. So once we get a breakout all the way above 62, then we will take it all the way to the 34.27. Okay. So just relax. If we get this trade, we can hold till Friday. We can hold till Friday, and believe me, you can pass your challenge. You can pass the challenge with just this one particular setup. All right. So don't stress yourself, guys. Just relax yourself, and let's see to the very end of this trade. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip Must Pay. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Guys, once you watch the video, let me know that indeed you watched, okay? At least it helps. It helps me one way or the other. All right. So make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video. and have a nice day.